wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rock tumblers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Discover with Dr. Cool Pro is both relatively quiet and leak-proof. It comes with a full pound of stones, which can include agate, jasper, tiger's eye, and more, as well as 4 types of grit in easy-to-handle pouches. The speed is variable and it shuts off automatically when the cycle is complete. However, it is less sturdy than some others. At number 9, between its 2 molded rubber barrels, the Tumblers AR2 offers a 6-pound capacity. The motor is fan-cooled to help prevent overheating, and it has overload protection too. This one includes a polisher's guide and can handle 2 batches at a time, but it is harder to load than many. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Raytech TV5 vibrates rather than rotates and is appropriate for wet and dry applications. It's got a clear lid so you can keep an eye on what's going on inside. It stands over a foot tall, however it can leak occasionally, and note that it's not for ceramic media. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rock tumblers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Tumblers Model B is a high-end, professional quality machine with a 15-pound capacity steel barrel and a rubber lining that can withstand frequent use, making it a good choice for jewelers, schools, and laboratories. The liner is removable for easy cleaning, and it works well for rifle casings, but it is underpowered for the size. Moving up our list at number 6. The Dan & Darci Advanced gives you everything you need to get started, including a half-pound bag of assorted stones, a rock storage pouch, and a necklace with a hollow wire pendant, which offers a cool way to show off your one-of-a-kind creations. It comes with straightforward instructions and a 9-day timer. However, there are occasional issues with the belt. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Lortone 3A has a 3-pound capacity and comes with a 1-year warranty. It can handle hard-to-polish stones thanks to a dependable motor that enables it to work non-stop for days on end. It's UL approved for safety. It's equipped with a thick rubber barrel and weighs just 5 pounds, but note that it runs a little hot. At number 4, the National Geographic Hobby Kit makes a good gift for preteens and teens who show an interest in geology. It arrives with a variety of rough gemstones ready for polishing. It includes 4 packets of grit and has a 1-pound capacity. A larger version is also available. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the MJR Tumblers Commercial is a heavy-duty option with stainless steel ball bearings, a 16-gauge metal frame, and a motor that shuts off automatically to prevent overheating. It features rubber-coated steel rollers and 2 airtight barrels. It's simple to load and unload. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rock tumblers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Lortone 33B is a sturdy model with 2 barrels, though you can run it with only 1 if you like. It's got a steel body that's fairly durable, but it's still relatively lightweight, with a surprisingly compact footprint. This one works with glass and beads and is good value for the cost. It comes with a reliable 115-volt motor. And taking the top spot on our list, the National Geographic Starter Kit is a complete package with not only the tumbler, but a sifter, 9 types of gemstone, and a variety of jewelry settings. A full-color learning guide and detailed instructions are included too. This is an easy-to-use design with a motor that's built to last for years. It's recommended for ages 8 and up. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rock tumblers, or simply click beneath this video.